10 years ago, a fantastic idea was born. Why not build houses the same way children build Lego? Today, that idea is a reality. Bosum Building System's unique building system reduces your costs when building a house. Our business concept is to sell building kits for covered houses. This video will be about how to mount a Bosum building kit in 3 days. Once the customer has finished the base plate, Bosum delivers the building kit. The delivery comes in 2 sets. First up are the block frame roof parcels and then the window door parcels. The first thing is to lay out the joist isolation for the joist to rest on. After that, you firmly establish the joist to the base plate with concrete screws. When the joist is laid out around and firmly established to the base plate, the next step is to start assembling the front walls. To assemble the front walls, you need a building plan that shows you how to assemble them. The blocks are shown in different colors where every color represents the length of the blocks and their placements in the wall. All blocks are provided with a cut, both at the top and at the bottom. In the cut, a plywood strip is fitted. When the strip is fitted, you can start assembling the front walls according to the building plan. Every other shift ends with a coin. The coins have cuts in both directions, and their function is to lock the corners and stabilize the construction. When you have assembled 7 to 8 shifts of blocks, it's important to stabilize and straighten the wall with stamp. Above the openings for doors and windows, beams are fitted up. Length and placement on the beams are specified in the building plan. By all openings in the front wall, a plywood strip is mounted to stabilize the wall. When you have assembled all shifts of blocks, you finish up the front wall with a top plate. Here, the cut is turned downwards to lock the wall construction. To protect the walls from rain, we mount a weave around the outside walls. The weave prevents moisture from cutting into the blocks, but it's of a quality that lets the construction breathe from the inside. When the front walls are assembled, the next step is to measure the distance for the roof trusses and put together the BMF back gauges that are used to attach the roof trusses. The measurements are specified on the roof plan in the drawings kit. Now it's time to mount the roof trusses. For this phase, you need a crane. While you're mounting the roof trusses, it's important to stamp them up so that they're fixated in their position. Ready-made gables are included in Bosum's building kit. They are factory unbolted with room for possible windows and are encrusted with 21mm plywood and 9mm drywall. Once the front walls and trusses are mounted, we will anchor the construction to tie rods. We start by mounting a binder along the roof foot of the trusses. In the joist plan, it's marked what distance it should be between the tie rods. We drill holes in the binder and pull up the tie rods to attach screw nut and plate. Then we secure the lower part of the tie rods to the joist. Then you pull together the whole construction with a torque wrench. The roof hatches consist of 21mm tongue and groove board that are stapled to a hatch suited with various lengths for the distances between the trusses. In the drawings kit, there's a tack locker that explains how to mount them. Once all the roof hatches are in place, it's time to mount the sarking felt paperboard. Follow your supplier's instructions when mounting the sarking felt paperboard. Now, it's time to mount the counter battens. Follow your supplier's instructions for your type of roofing material. Before you start installing your windows and front doors, you should be finished with the roof for best possible results. This way, you get maximum compression pressure on the front walls. Follow your supplier's instructions when mounting. The building kit is now mounted, and the indescribable feeling that comes with having done it yourself is included in the price. Bosum has more than 30 different types of building kits you can see and read about in our product catalog on our website.